Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that STX token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, STX is a foundational layer that brings smart contracts and decentralized application to Bitcoin, enabling its vast capital to be used in a programmable financial ecosystem. Bitcoin's smart contract layer. It acts as a separate blockchain that settles transactions on Bitcoin, allowing developers to build apps that use BTC as a core assets secured by Bitcoin's power. It unique proof of transfer consensus mechanism uses Bitcoin's hash power for security, making its blocks as immutable as Bitcoin's. Fuel for a growing economy. The native STX token is used for transaction fees, securing the network and earning Bitcoin rewards for holders. STX project institution rating is 4.1. STX token total supply is 1.81 billion and circulating supply is also 1.81 billion STX token. STX token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.